Fortified milk in your coffee, over cereal, or straight out of the jug can be a source of vitamin D. Plastic milk jugs are the most popular way to get milk from the dairy to your table. Once they're empty, the millions of recyclable containers won't carry milk again. But the jug can still get you your vitamin D in a whole new way. Team Alliance Plastics in Springfield, Michigan transforms discarded milk jugs so they can be made into lumber. Milk jugs will be converted into a stylish and sustainable park bench. The recyclers sort, grind and wash empty milk jugs to transform them into the building blocks for brand new products. Milk jugs are made from HDPE, high-density polyethylene, or plastic number 2. HDPE's closely packed linear structure makes it light, strong and chemically resistant, which means the milk doesn't pick up any other tastes from the fridge contents. To begin the destruction process, a forklift offloads bales of flattened milk jugs. Workers break up the bales and sort through the jugs. They sift out debris like bags and other non-HDPE items, and then load the jugs onto a conveyor. The conveyor feeds the jugs into a grinder. Twin blades bounce and slice the jugs into 1 centimeter flakes. Workers shovel the plastic flakes onto a step conveyor that drops them into a wash tank. Slowly rotating paddles rinse the plastic flakes in hot water. Clean polyethylene floats to the surface. Dirt and sludge sink to the bottom and drain off. Compressed air blows the flakes through a dryer into shipping boxes. What were once discarded milk jugs are that much closer to their place in the sun. Next, the plastics arrive at Polyproducts Michigan, who manufacture items made exclusively from recycled consumer plastics, like milk jugs. A mixer combines the plastic flakes with coloured recycled plastic pellets to give the lumber that authentic wood look. A hopper feeds the blend into an extruder. An auger pushes the plastic through a chamber, heated to just under 240 degrees Celsius, melting the material. A feeder then injects the molten plastic into a rack of plank-shaped molds. When the plank is cool, it's released from the mold. Workers then inspect the lumber and stack it, allowing it to set completely so it doesn't warp. Another set of molds press recycled dark plastic pellets into faux wrought iron bases. An operator water cools the bases to prevent air bubbles deforming the surface and shape. A saw trims the excess plastic. An operator hand sands the surface to a smooth finish. And finally, a blowtorch is used to seal and smooth the edges. a saw line. A miter saw shears the edges and cuts the plastic lumber to its final size. A CNC machine drills screw holes into the boards. Workers assemble the bench on site in minutes with recycled plastic brackets and minimal tools. The bench is now ready for the park. Old and discarded milk jugs have now been reformed into the perfect park bench. The bench is weatherproof and rust-proof, ideal for the great outdoors. All it needs is for somebody to stop by and enjoy the sunshine.